Hello, it's Saturday night, and tonight, crispy chicken pot sticker bowl with veggie rice, corn edamame salad, and scallion vinaigrette. And it came with a few ingredients here, and I'm gonna take it out of the oven. It's ready. Looks good. Hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday. I did at Namaste. We had an event. It was very nice. So we have our veggie fried rice. Looks good, huh? And the chicken pot stickers. I don't even know if I can eat this much. Here we go. It is 590 calories. 13 fats, 91 carbs, 4 fiber, 23 protein. And I did add that into my Lose It app. And I am under calories for today, over protein. That was some fried onions. And this is a little sweet sauce, scallion vinaigrette. I'm gonna do that with the sriracha. Give it some more flavor. Oh, looks good. Perfect for a Saturday night. So until next time, what's cooking? Enjoy.